Hello students, in this video I am going to present problems related to transformation of angles. So in order to work out with problems on transformation of angles, we should learn the formulas on transformation of angles. So here are the formulas of transformation of angles. So the first one is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, that is equal to 2 sin a cos b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b, that is equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. And writing c is equal to, a plus b is equal to c, a minus b is equal to d, then these formulas can be transformed into sin c plus sin d as 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, sin c minus sin d as 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, cos c minus cos d as minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. And this is the third formula in any triangle ABC. When we speak that triangle ABC, we have to know that sum of angles of triangle is 180 degrees or 180 radians, and n is any positive integer, that means n is equal to 1 2 3 4 like that. Sin of 2na plus sin of 2nb plus sin of 2nc value is equal to minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 times of 4 sin na sin nb sin nc. So by remembering these formulas, one can easily attempt problems related to transformation of angles. So here I am going to discuss problems related to transformation of angles. So here is my first problem, which is a standard problem in transformation of angles. So the problem is here, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, then the value of cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is. The options have been given here. The thing is that in general in classroom teaching we solve this problem by combining the first two terms and employing the formulas of transformation, and then regrouping the last term with the results obtained in the previous steps, and we show that that value is equal to either any one of these options. But when you are solving the same problem on ESET entrance exam, we should have to apply certain tricks. As you all know that sum of angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So here I am substituting a value, b value, c value as 60 degrees in the given expression. So that value is converted to cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. So when I am substituting a equal to 60, this is cos 120, cos 120, cos 120. So that is sum of three angles of the same kind. Say 3 cos 120 degrees and 3 cos. If you are not able to know directly what is the value of this one, actually it is minus 1 by 2. But you can write it as cos of 90 plus 30 degrees. So that you get that value as minus 3 by 2. Now again you substitute this a equal to b equal to c equal to 60 degrees in either option A, option B, option C, so that calculating the value of that option A, you get minus 1 by 2, option B you get minus 3 by 2. So you can see that the value you have to have opened here is minus 3 by 2, and option B also giving minus 3 by 2. So the right option for this problem is option B. So in that way you can conclude that the right option. This is a trick you have to follow. The trick is that in any triangle sum of the angles is 180. So to get the solution we are substituting a equal to b equal to c equal to 60 degrees. So if this is the very easiest way to do the problem other than considering the solution in the general form. Now we are going to discuss another problem in triangle ABC. The second problem, in triangle ABC, sigma cos A is equal to, the options are 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Option B, 8 sin A by 2, cos B by 2. Option C, 1 plus 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Option D, none. Now here one has to understand the question sigma cos A. So what do you mean by sigma cos A? That is cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So you have been given a triangle ABC. That means sum of the angles is equals to 180 degrees. So as we have just said that substitute A equal to B equal to C equal to 60 degrees to get the solution. So what to get that cos 60 plus cos 60 plus cos 60. So the sum will be 3 cos 60 degrees. And you know that the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. So the answer is 3 by 2. So this is evaluated for sigma cos A. Now you can substitute that A value, B value, C value in the options as 60 and calculate them. So if you go for option A, so 4 sine 60 by 2 30, sine 60 by 2 30, sine 60 by 2 30. The answer here is 4 into sine 30 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. So you can get that the value as 1 by 2 because this will cancel 1 by 4. Here if 4 cancel 1 by 2 will be. If you go for option B, substitute here you can get sine 30 cos 30. So sine 30 1 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. The option is something else which is 2 root 3 which is not meeting the value 3 by 2. So this is also not right option. Now substitute in option C 1 plus 4 as a by 2 sine a by 2 already we have calculated. So 1 plus this entire value when you substitute here this is 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. So that is 1 plus 1 by 2 you will get 3 by 2. So the right option is C. In that way you can conclude the solution of this problem. Now we will consider another problem on this. So here is the problem. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, then sigma sine 2A by sigma sine A is equal to. The options are sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. Option B 4 sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. Option C 8 sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. Option D none. So here to attempt this problem you use the same mechanism. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Substitute A equal to B equal to C is equal to 60 degrees in the given problem. So the numerator is sigma sine 2A by sigma sine A. What do you mean by that? The sum of here sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C by sigma sine A means sine A plus sine B plus sine C. So A equal to B equal to C equals to 60 means 2 times of A will be that is 120 degrees. So here this is sine 120 sine 120 sine 120. You will get 3 times of sine 120 degrees. Sine 60 sine 60 sine 60. 3 times of sine 60. So you can get 3 cancel. So sine 120 that is sine of 90 plus 30 by sine 60. So this is minus, this is cos 30 degrees by sine 60. You know the cos 30 value root 3 by 2, sine 60 value also root 3 by 2. These two cancel, answer is 1. Now you check the same for options A, B, C, D. So if you do that and you can observe that option C will work out the solution. So I am directly going for here. So substitute in C at 8 into sine A by 2 A is 60, 60 by 2 sine 30, sine 30 value 1 by 2, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 30 1 by 2. So you get 8 by 8, answer is 1. So the right option is C by using the same mechanism. Is it clear? Now we are going to see another problem in this regard. So the problem is here. if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, then the value of cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 is equal to. The options are 2 plus 2 sine a by 2, sine b by 2, sine c by 2. Option B 4 sine a by 2, sine b by 2, sine c by 2. Option C 8 sine a by 2, sine b by 2, sine c by 2. Option D none. So here again sum of the angles is 180. So to get the solution, substitute A equal to B equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. So you can find that this A by 2, B by 2, C by 2 means 30 degrees. So cos square A by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2, that is equal to cos square 30 plus cos square 30 plus cos square 30. So I am writing this is 3 cos square 30 cos square 30, that is root 3 by 2 cos 30 value whole square. So you get 3 into 3 by 4, the answer is 9 by 4. Now you can check for the same in options. Go to option A and substitute the value a by 2, a by b by 2, c by 2 as 30 30 30. So you can see that 2 plus 2 into sine 30 by 2, sine 30 by 2, sine 30 by 2. So 2 plus 2 times of this by 8. So what do you get here? So 2 plus 1 by 4, that is 9 by 4. So option A is correct. So you can use this trick for all the problems when I have been given a triangle ABC or A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Now here we see the fifth problem. If A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, or sometimes it will be given as pi by 2 radians, then the value of cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. So the options are here 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. Option B 4 cos a, cos b, cos c. Option C cos a, cos b, cos c. Option D none. So in this problem it has been given a plus b plus c equal to 90 degrees. So sum of triangles is 90. So I am going to take a value, b value, c value as 30 degrees. So 3 3 3 90, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So substitute a equal to b equal to c is equal to 30 degrees in the given expression. So you can get here 2a, 2b, 2c, that become 60 degrees. So we have cos 60 plus cos 60 plus cos 60. So which is 3 times of cos 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. The answer is 3 by 2. Now use this value a equal to b equal to c equal to 30 in option A, option C, option B, option D is none. So that you can get in substituting option A. So you can find out sine 30 1 by 2, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 30 1 by 2. So which is answer 1 by 2, which is not meeting our answer 3 by 2. Go for option B. Again 4 into cos 30 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So you know that 2 to 4 here, 4 cancel, root 3 into root 3, this is 3 root 3 by 2. So this option is this is 1 plus I have written this. So I think this is our correct option. sorry for the inconvenience because I hurriedly went on to taking this problem. So cos 30, cos 30, cos 30, which is cos cube 30, which does not require here root 3 by 2 whole cube. So which is root 3 by 8. So this is also not beating our equation. So option A is correct. Sorry. Here is I'm going to take one more problem on the transformation of angles. So here is the problem. I hope that you are enjoying the problems of this kind. Now take this problem 6.1. So in a triangle ABC, angles are in AP arithmetic progression, then the value of cos C minus cos A by sin A minus sin C is equal to. So the options are cot B, tan B, cot C, tan C. To attempt this problem, one should have a good idea regarding the triangle and the information angles are in arithmetic progression. So we say that three numbers ABC are in arithmetic progression if they satisfy this property. The twice of the middle term is equal to sum of the extremes. So 2b is equal to a plus b. Now it is regarding with the angles of triangle. So in a triangle, sum of the angles is 180, which is known to us. Now using the concept of arithmetic progression, twice of angle b is equal to a plus c. Now take your problem which is given cos C minus cos A by sin C sin A minus sin C. So cos C minus cos D formula you have already known earlier, minus 2 sin of C plus A by 2 sin of C minus A by 2 by sin A minus sin C 2 cos of A plus C by 2 sin of A minus C by 2. So 2 can cancel. So sine of C plus A by 2 cos of A plus C by 2, they both are same. So we can write as tan of A plus C by 2, and here sine of C minus A by 2 sine of A minus C by 2. So actually if you take the minus sign inside of the sign, because of this reason sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, this will get cancelled without any negativity in the numerator. So the value is only tan of A plus C by 2. So tan of A plus C by 2, we have been taken here 2b is equal to A plus C. So A plus C by 2 is equal to B. So we get the value as tan B. I hope you understood this problem. The problem was a little bit tricky, but it is using an information that given angles are in arithmetic progression. It's not using this sum of angles is equal to 180. We are not going to substitute that one, because the reason when you substitute A equal to B equal to C equal to 60, the denominator sin 60 minus sin 60, which is absurd. Something by 0 is can't defined. So it's meaningless. So we are not using that idea here. I hope you understood this problem. Now we will take another problem in transformation of angles. So here is the problem. In triangle ABC, sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C by sin square A minus sin square B plus sin square C is equal to. The options are tan A cot B, cot A cot C. The next one, tan B cot C product. The last option is 0. So now here, to attempt this problem, so what we have been given in triangle ABC, so sum of angles is equal to 180. It's a very big problem. In general, you can't do it with very fraction of seconds in examination. So use the trick. The trick is substituting A equal to B equal to C equal to 60. So when you substitute this one, sine 60 that you have known, sine 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. As it is having numerator square, so we get here root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square by, in the denominator also same, root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So one value in the denominator cancels. So here you get 3 times of root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 2 square. So we get answer 9 by 4 in the numerator by, in the denominator only one value, that is 3 by 4 you get. So 4 cancel, 3 1s are 3 3s are, so you get here the answer is 3. Now use this A equal to B equal to C equal to 60 in the options. So if you go for option A, what do you get? Tan 60 into cot 60, because tan 60 into cot 60 both are reciprocal to each other with same angle. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. If you go for option B, cot 60 into cot 60, cot 60 value is how much? It is root 3 into root 3. So you get, so option B is the required one. So that is the correct option. I hope you are understanding the problems. Somehow a little bit easy in substituting the value of A, B, C in 60 degrees or in 30 degrees. So here I am going to take one more problem. So the problems is here. The next problem. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, then cos A by sin B sin C plus cos B by sin C sin A plus cos C by sin A sin B is equal. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the trick is as usual, A B equal to C equal to 60 degrees. Substitute this value in the numerator and denominator. Cos 60 you have known that this value is root 3 by 2. Sin 6, sorry, cos 60 value that you have been known that it is 1 by 2. So sin 60 value it is known to be root 3 by. So substitute this one in the numerator and denominator. So 1 by 2, here you get root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 again. So square plus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 whole square. When you simplify this, you can see that the denominators are same. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, you get 3 into 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. So 3 3 cancel, you get 4 by 2. The answer is 2. So the right option is B. In that way, we can solve this problem. Now we consider another problem. If A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, then the value of cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C by sin A sin B sin C is equal to. The options are 1, 2, 4. So you have been given here A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. The trick is to substitute A equal to B equal to C is equal to 30 degrees. So when you substitute A equal to B is equal to C is equal to 30 degrees, what you can observe here, that in the numerator cos 60 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, sin 30, that is also 1 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2. So it is 3 by 2 in the numerator by 1 by 8. Sorry, I made a mistake in explaining hurriedly. So the value of cos 60, but here sin 30, that is correct. So you get here 3 into 8 by 2, the answer is 12. The options actually is 12, so take it as 12. Actually the question was down here, it has to be given -1, so if you take -1 the value will be 4, which is given. So anyhow, just I corrected myself. So in that way we can solve the problems on this one. Now you can see another problem in a similar fashion. So here is the question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 270 degrees, then sigma cos 2a is equal to, the options are 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Option b 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Option c 4 sin a sin b sin c. Option d none. Now here a plus b plus c is equal to 270 is given. So sum of three angles is 270. So I'll just write AB equal to C equal to 90 degrees. Substitute this value, A equal to B equal to C equal to 90. 3 nines are 27. So cos of what you get, cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C, which is cos 180, cos 180, cos 180. So cos 180 degrees, cos 180 degrees 3 times, you get 3 times of cos 180. Cos 180 value -1, so the answer is -3. Now you can use substitute here, a value, b value, c value, 90, sin 90. Sin 90 how much? Sin 90 value is 1. So that sin 90 is 1. You can see here the option 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 minus 4, that is -3. So option A is correct. So in that way we can solve this kind of problems. I hope you are enjoying the problems, understanding problems. So likewise we can do problems related to this.